Hi everyone. So today we present you with our weekly technical insight on WaterGEM Connect edition. And the topic that I am going to cover in today insight is like how we are going to create a demand adjustment group with the help of Darwin Designer tool, and the same thing how we are going to assign the nodes. So before proceeding further, I would like to give a brief intro about the Capricorn technology. Capricorn Technology is a Win Zero company which is having a legacy of over like 3 decades, has now become a partner of choice for the AEC industries. Capricorn Technology is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley, along with authorized training center. So today, with over 10 offices across India and 300 plus inspired team members, we are serving nearly over 20,000 customers in the building, infrastructure, manufacturing, along with a large number of other industries as well. So hey, let me introduce myself. This is Pranjal Verma, solution specialist for water and wastewater, New Delhi. Will present you with the weekly insights. Okay, so the objective of the insight is to like understanding the importance of the Darwin calibrator tool. We have the different option within the Darwin tool. So the first option that we are going to cover is Darwin calibrator tool. Then how we are going to create a demand adjustment with the help of Darwin calibrator group and assign the node. And after that, when we assign the node, how we are going to optimize the calibration with demand and roughness adjustment. So like the concept of the automation tool, which is like Darwin designer, where different type of design constraint we can analyze it. Similarly, we can also create the demand adjustment group and how to assign to the node for better understanding or requirement for the project. So by this, we can actually, decrease the rate time rather on finding the different thing in large network manually. So today, I'll show you how we are going to create a demand adjustment group and assigning to the node. So let's just switch to the software and I'm gonna showcase you how to do it. So let's suppose this is my sample network and I have to create a demand adjustment for the same sample. So here within the analysis tab, we have the Darwin Designer tool. So if I click on the drop down menu, we can see that the different option is present within this. So I'm gonna go with the Darwin calibrator. Once I go with the Darwin calibrator, for the same dialog box will be appear. From here, we have to create one calibration study. So from here, we can create a calibration study. Once we create the calibration study, here in the demand group, we can see that there are two options is given for the commercial and residential labeling. I have given already. We can give it from here a new name. So I have already given as a commercial purpose and for the residential purpose. So under the commercial, if I go to the element ID option, here I'm going to click the ellipse icon. So here I have selected all the related junctions which are related to the commercial purpose. I have selected that. From here we can select it, select from drawing. So whatever the requirement is there according to your need, we can select all of the junction that is going to for the commercial purpose. Next, similarly, same thing I have done for the residential also. So here you can see in the collection item, I have selected all of the related junction for the commercial things. So once you do that, in clicking the OK options, here we have to create a new optimizer. So I have one optimizer I have already created for different analysis. So from here also we can create a new optimizer or we can highlight the previous optimize run and create another optimize run. Once we create the optimize run, we can see that new optimize run has been created. You can also name it, but I'm gonna rename it as the same. So here, once I click on this, you can see for the same dialog box will be appear. And here, if I go to the demand option, under the demand option, we can see like some input that we have to give by our end, like what would be the minimum demand multiplier, what would be the maximum demand multiplier, and what would be the demand multiplier index. So what a software do, it will automatically adjust the demand according to the best possibility use. So once you do, you give the inputs, and once you highlight the new optimizer run and compute your result, you'll see I have created a four solution. Under the option tab, you can give the general value like how much fitness tolerance will be there, how much trial you want to software to do, and like how much solution you want to 10 solution, 8 solution, or 4 solution. I have written as 4, that is why here 4 solution has been present. So under the if one after computing your result by highlighting the optimizer that you have created, if I go for the solution one and look for it, my original demand is 88, and what software it does, it gives the adjusted demand as 132 for the junction. So what it does do, it gives the best possibility design for the demand adjustment as well. So this is how you can actually adjust the demand for the different node if you are going for the commercial purpose or if you are going for the residential purpose. Because for both are the different things. So the requirement of the both demand is going to be vary. I think that's all from my side. So I hope you guys had an insightful session. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel for all updates. We would be delighted to hear from you. So do reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week with the next insight. Thank you, everyone.